This is Roy with Olivine Investments. You can visit us at olivine.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. I believe we're on day 15 of the Small Account Builder Challenge, where we take $2,000 with leverage and show how to trade with a small account just getting started. Uh, Here are the trades today. I just made $61. Fees and commissions kind of probably ate us up. Good to get some practice in. So I still had the 80% accuracy. I only took 5 trades. I made a little over 2 cents a share. So it's kind of a break-even day. So I'll go ahead and get in here. Put some arrows here so you guys can kind of see what I'm thinking. Tried to dip buy right off the gates here. Off when this flushed down here at 9:41, I got in at 12:64, out at 12:51. So that didn't work out. Then I got back in at 9:45. Right here, trying to get a first candle to make a new high there. That one flushed on me too. And then I got back in there at 12:23. And you can see I got in and out right here with it popping up. And yeah. Then I came back in at 9:49, and I got in at 12:08, out at 12:18, and then I got back in over here at 10:08. I got in at 11:38, out at 11:44. So, and you can might be able to see what I was doing a little bit better down here. I don't know if those arrows are pointed to the right second or not. Yeah, yeah. So that's what went on today. All right, yeah. This is Roy with All of Our Investments, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow.